Om Swastiastu. Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make jackfruit curry. Jackfruit in Balinese is called nangka. This is really simple recipe and tastes so yummy. So here I have all the ingredients that I'm going to use later. 400 grams of young jackfruit, which is I cleaned it earlier. 1 liter of fresh water. 250 ml of chicken stock. You also can use vegetable stock. Fried shallot, 60 ml of coconut cream, salt, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, medium one, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 onion, 3 garlics, 3 small green chili, and 1 Bali hot pepper, and some more water here. And also later I'm going to put some coriander leaf on the top of the jackfruit curry. But for the moment I keep the coriander leaf in the fridge because Bali weather are really hot now. So let's start. First I'm going to cook the jackfruit. Let's turn on the cooker. While we waiting the water boiling, I'm going to prepare the onion, garlic, and chilies. So chop the onion. Chop the garlic. Let's put it aside for the moment. So the water is boiling. Now let's add the jackfruit. Make sure all cover with water. And we will cook it for 5 minutes, and after that I will change the water to the new water. So while we wait this, let's cut the chili. So I just slice the chili like this. This chili is optional. You can add it and also you can escape this. The Bali hot pepper I will using later for garnish. So it's been 5 minutes, so I'm going to change the water now. Let's turn off the cooker first. And add the 1 liter of fresh water. And add a pinch of salt. I'm going to cook the jackfruit for another 10 to 20 minutes or until the texture is soft. It's been 10 minutes, so let's check the jackfruit now. It's soft enough, so let's turn off the cooker. So now let's cook the onion, garlic, and chili. Medium heat. Add vegetable oil. Now add the shallot. Onion, I mean. Cook it until soft. So while we waiting the onion soft, I'm going to shred the jackfruit. The onion is soft enough now. Let's add garlic. Stir it. Green chili. Add the curry powder. Chili powder. Smoked paprika. Stir it. And jackfruit. Mix well. 1 teaspoon of salt, and some black pepper. $250 ml chicken stock. We cook it until all the liquid evaporated and stir it occasionally. Actually, in this stage, the jackfruit on its own is already cooked, so all this spice is just to flavoring the jackfruit. Now all the liquid is already evaporated. Let's add coconut cream. Mix well. Cook for another 5 minutes and keep stirring. The curry smells so good and now is ready. Let's turn off the cooker. So now let's plate it. Here I cook some mixed red and white rice. This curry is the best served with rice. Some jackfruit curry. I'm going to slice the Bali hot pepper for garnish. Add some fried shallot. Lots of coriander leaf. Here we are, jackfruit curry. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes, and I will see you in my next recipe. Matur suksema. Bye-bye.